Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's AXS update for Tuesday. And here we are. Yesterday I did talk about this price squeezing and a decision coming in by 13th of May, but we got our answer very early. So now what the hell is going on? So what did you do, right? What did you do? What you did is not something very good. So all you did is you're breaking out of a support level. So here you are, support level broken. You're trying to actually go back for the retest. Now the dump has happened so much that potentially we could have AXS not going all the way to the downside at the moment, not anytime soon. From here, you could see a little bit of a pull to the upside. Yes, there's a good potential that you actually go to the upside. But nonetheless, if you do actually go logical, you are still kissing the resistance, okay? You are not crossing the resistance, which is not a good sign to go to the upside. But at the same time, you're making a bullish pattern known as a bullish harami candlestick, okay? So this is actually bullish, and the stop loss for this pattern actually comes down here nearly the 23.59. okay, so if you start to lose 23.59, damn, that's gonna be a very big dump to the downside, right? So it is what it is right now, but let's see. I just want to see if you're gonna actually have that relief. Then your potential relief is gonna be up here to the $33, because that's where 32 or $33, because this is where you have your actual resistance right over there, right? So we do bring in the brush once again, this level right over here, because you almost have some few touches. So if you actually get above the box here, you might be consolidating here, and then we're gonna get the answer if it does want to go to the upside or want to move to the downside. It's pretty much that simple. So it's not going to be a very overblown AXS update at the moment. I just don't expect any downfall anymore. There's a little bit of relief rally that I can expect, because it has been really oversold, okay? Now if that resistance does play out, the next big level of support is down here at the $14, because that's the swing low previously that you had for AXS, okay? And that's the best buying place once again. So if this resistance actually gets heavy on AXS and the dumps continue, then you're looking for potentially AXS dropping all the way to the 14. And by the way, I just noticed one more thing. We could be potentially putting in a bearish rectangle. Do you see? I'm going to talk about bearish rectangle. So here we are, and you're moving sideways. Potentially you're breaking down, go up for the retest, and then boom, you drop all the way to the downside, okay? So it's kind of not really good, because by the end of the day, this is a bearish pattern to go to the downside. And if it does play out, I'm going to tell you where the next technical target really is. So you take this recent corrective move to the downside from there to there, and oh my gosh, okay. So if you start to move once again, this is taking you down to $17, and that's nearly the $14 and the swing low previously right over there. So let's see what happens. Be careful in this space. That's not a very good sign, by the way. And I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.